Today we handled Kwania and Apac. In the recruitment process, there are very many stages that we go for. Ideally, there are 4. The first one is to identify and confirm that we have the right people who are shortlisted. The second one is document verification. The third one is a preliminary physical check done by the medical officers. And then the fourth one is the short run and eventually medical examination. So today in Apac, during the time for the run, one of the participants collapsed and he was put in the ambulance which was following. The way we evacuate any other participant who fails in the run was brought up to the hospital. First aid was administered on him. Unfortunately, he didn't make it. He died. And right now, the body is in Apac Government Hospital. It's a UPDF. We have, as our culture has always been, with the heartfelt condolences, extended a contribution of 500,000 shillings towards the various support of this family.
My name is Andrew Onyuk. I am the resident district commissioner for Apac. I regret to announce the death of one of our applicants by the name of Donald Solomon, aged 22 years. He's the son to Mzee Ongol Solomon of Abaridwogo in Ibuzet sub-county. During the time of the exercise, they were taken for a short distance runs, and when he came back from the run, he collapsed, and the medical team did all their best to manage, and we rushed him with our ambulance who were on standby following them on the run to Apac Hospital. But reaching there, he could not make it. And this has been very unfortunate. The postmortem is being undertaken to establish what could have caused this death. Of course, there could have been some other ailments or some underlying conditions that were not known to him or may have been known to him, but when I discussed with the father did not tell me anything that shows that he was having some underlying problem. But we stand together with the family of the deceased, and I want to thank the recruitment team who had been able to help and condone with the family. But the exercise has been generally successful, except for these 2 people. There is one who is still also under medical management. He also collapsed from the exercise of the first run.